This is Kiki, an IT staff at HDC Sarawak, a public works government agency. She is smart, hardworking, and always tries her best. But because of the old system and the legacy architecture, Kiki is facing stress every day. Before she explains why, let's get to know the company.
Aduh, sistem loading pun 3 minit. Dah lebih 3 minit dah ni. Dah jadi apa ni?
The HDC stands for Housing Development Corporation Sarawak. It is a statutory body under the Sarawak State Government, established on the 1st December 1971 as the Sarawak Housing and Development Commission, SPPS. Official operations began on 1st November 1972, rebranded as HDC Sarawak on 1st January 2003 following a new Housing Development Ordinance. Now, I will explain the key responsibilities of HDC Sarawak. First, HDC is mainly responsible for developing affordable housing projects for B40 and M40 communities. This includes building quality homes that are accessible and within reach for lower and middle income groups. Next, HDC implements several major housing programs such as Rumah Mampu Milik and the Spectra Permata housing schemes. These programs are designed to support families who need affordable and reliable housing options. HDC also provides loan schemes for long house communities, especially in rural areas. These loans help with the construction, renovation, and purchases of building materials for traditional longhouses homes. This is Icha, the CIO of the company. She oversees ICT governance, IT standards, and digital strategy.
She is doing the reporting to be brought anything. After hearing a lot of complaints, it's time for her to take action.
This is Shahrin, the operation manager. He ensures all public works processes run smoothly in the company. Now, let's continue with Kiki.
Boleh jadi ni. Ni kena qualify ni.
Oh, the Ipan she called, it is me, the system admin. So, I maintain servers, manage backups, and files with the whole hardware every morning. So, this is my picture, and let's continue.
Hello, Fan.
Yeah?
Server down lagi.
Huh?
Data nak extract ambil masa sejam. Sistem outdated. Security tak update. Manual paperwork pun masih banyak. Nak buat reporting pun susah.
Alah, biasalah tu. Server 12 tahun.
Hai. Macam ni nak buat kerja pun susah.
Bear with it je lah.
Okay.
Kau propose to Icha.
Okay, bye.
Hi everyone, thank you for being here today as we would like to discuss on the issues that has been brought up by Kiki, which is the system is slow and then redundancy and security is weak because of we don't have cloud system. Okay, so first of all, what we can see here is our SWOT summary of HDC right now. Okay, so first of all, we have the strengths. So it is centralized housing management system with well-documented business processes, and right now we also have experienced staff familiar with current workflows and existing migration framework. So what is our weakness? So what do we have to improve? Okay, so first of all, we need to get rid of legacy on-premises and architecture with limited scalability potential and organizational resistance to change and heavy reliance on hard copy documentation. And lastly is critical security vulnerabilities, compatibility issues, and there is a lack of multi-cloud readiness. Okay, so as you can see right now, we have opportunities such as the Sarawak's digital transformation agenda driving citizen demand for modern e-services and major cloud ecosystem with proven government technology partnerships available. Okay, What about the threats? Okay, so if we are going to implement this cloud migration, so we would have to face the escalating cybersecurity risks and increasing regulatory compliance pressures. And also our staffs will be impacted also because they have to adopt to change of new technology and workflow.
Agree. Betul tu. Memang ada banyak isu.
We want to modernize by moving core services to the cloud. Benefits include scalability, stronger security, better integration, and long-term cost savings. Hi everyone, thank you for being here today. So me and Kiki already discussed about the IT strategies that can help to overcome the issues right now. Okay, so the strategy that we already agreed on is cloud migration. So why cloud migration? It's because the core IT strategy focuses on a hybrid cloud migration that enables flexible scaling, enhanced security monitoring, faster deployment of digital services, and lastly, improve cost efficiency.
Why are you suggesting a hybrid cloud? Why not go fully cloud or just keep everything in our own server like now? Or can you explain a simple way so we can more understand on our project planning?
Because hybrid gives balance. Because some legacy systems still need time to modernize, and some sensitive data must remain under local control. Yeah. So, but cloud helps us scale and secure the rest.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You can continue. I just want to make sure that we are not making a decision blindly.
So moving on to the target architecture. Okay. So first of all, we have cloud-based infrastructure as a service. Okay. It is for hosting core applications and databases. Second, we have platform as a service PaaS for application modernization, analytics, and workflow automation. Third, we have SaaS solutions, which is for emails, office tools, workforce management, and reporting. And lastly is the centralized API gateway, which helps to integrate all departmental systems.
Okay. All right. Before we proceed with this proposal, I want to understand a few things to make more clearly on this project. For the first thing is on the costing. How about the cost? How does the cost compare between staying on premise and moving to the cloud? I want to make sure this plan is realistic and it fits our budget, not only for this year, but also for the next few years.
Okay, apa bezanya staying on premise versus cloud? So kalau on premise, hardware need to be refreshed every few years. Tapi kalau kita guna cloud, it will reduce infrastructure cost and downtime. So we will pay based on the usage lah.
For the second thing to be concerned in on the security part, if we move to the cloud, how do we make sure our system is secure and our data is protected? And what will the cloud provider to keep our data safe? What are the things our own team must take care of? We feel confident that our information is in a good hands.
When boss asks is cloud ni secure ke tak, I would say cloud is better actually daripada what we have right now, yang mana kita still lagi using on-premise punya database system, and also the system is being stored in our database. So if anything happen in the database, we can't do anything. We just need to wait for the system to go up again, then we can continue our usual work. So it's actually dangerous and time taking. So when using cloud, kita actually boleh 24/7 monitoring. Yang mana kita boleh check if any system down, we can manage or we can do anything about it. That one is for monitoring, and also dia ada encryption yang mana nak log in dalam sistem tu pun ada encryption, and then data dalam tu also encrypted. which is much safer daripada apa yang kita ada sekarang ni. Next, dia ada juga user management. Yes, user management. When we are talk about user management, some department sekarang dekat in our system right now actually, user management tu user lain which is from other department dia boleh tengok user dekat department lain. So which is it don't have any management there, and also it will happen some security issue juga. So that's kind of dangerous. So for using cloud, dia ada user management which we can give certain user certain access macam tu. Yeah. So dia also ada threat detection. Threat detection ni sama macam antivirus, sama macam security. It works like that. Tapi bila dekat cloud, kita boleh detect threat ni datang daripada mana. Is it come from our side or come from outside atau daripada mana? Semua based on the monitoring yang 24/7 tadi. So I see it much better than what we have right now.
The third part is on the staff readiness. The team is ready for these new changes. Actually, what kind of training or support will give them to they feel comfortable using the new system? And I want them to feel that these changes will help their own, not make it harder.
We plan proper training, sir, and cloud will actually make our work easier, especially reporting.
The last part on the impact on the public services. How will this cloud project actually improve our service to the people? For example, will it make our response faster? Our report is clearer or system more reliable? If we can explain this clearly, it will be easier for everyone to see why this project is important.
So, how does it help public service? Sebab dengan cloud, we can report faster, and then we can maintain requests faster, monitor better, and with using cloud, we actually support the SDG 9 and 11 with modern infrastructure and smart cities.
All right. Okay, this explanation sounds reasonable for me. Thank you. Now, Kiki, can you show me the plan, the timeline and the budget? If this fail, saya tak nak orang salahkan saya, and saya nak make sure all these projects is smoothly.
For a timeline, we propose a 3-year phase plan. Year 1 is foundation. So it will be the readiness assessment, pilot migration, staff training, and security framework. For year 2, we go to migration. Under this fall for core system migration, data warehouse, analytic implementation. And year 3 is optimization, IoT integration, smart city platform, and continuous improvement. So for the investment plan, it includes the cloud subscription, system modernization, governance and training, and change management.
Okay, thank you, Kiki. Icha, how about the risk? What is the worst case scenario if happen? Can we mitigate the incident or risks that can happen?
So the worst case scenario would be the vendor log in, and then staff adaptation akan ambil masa lah untuk staff menerima teknologi and workflow yang baru, which is if we are migrating to cloud, and also security misconfiguration. So because it's cloud, so it has cybersecurity threats also. So all of that we need to consider when we want to migrate to cloud services. But this one, all of this will be mitigated with proper governance and policies. Yeah.
Good, Icha. Thank you. Better you mention it now than when things explode. Okay, everyone. I approve for the phase 1 first, but I want a monthly report update, proper documentation, and measurable improvement. If anything happens, just report to me. And please keep update the progress of the project frequently. And Kiki, since you are the one yang paling banyak dan hard to handle dengan sistem lama ni, so I want you to lead the user feedback loop lah.
Okay, yes sir. I'll do my best.
Alright, good everyone. Kita buat ni sama-sama for the agency and the better public services. Alright, thank you.
By the end of the meeting, that's the end of our short story about HDC Sarawak. Thank you for listening.
Hai, dah sampai rumah baru tak dapat on.
Kira department aku yang handle photography Sarawak.
Yeah.
Selain daripada
Baik. Baik.
Sebelum saya dah kena ada di jack kat apa? Palpas.